Hi, I am Devi Abhirani, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to take a lecture video in the topic measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion, there are so many topics. In that I am going to take the topic as range and coefficient of range. First we should know what is meant by a range. Okay, range can be calculated for the given set of data by using the formula largest value that should be subtracted to the smallest value. So in simple form, this formula can be written as R. Range is denoted as R and the largest value is denoted as L minus and the smallest value is denoted as S. The difference between the largest and the smallest value will give you the range of the problem. Similarly, for the coefficient of range. Coefficient of range can be calculated by using the formula the same, but it should have a ratio of L minus S by L plus S. That is, largest minus smallest value should be divided with the sum of largest and the smallest value. Okay, by using those two formulas, I am going to solve one problem. My problem is daily temperature recorded over 10 days are 32, 34, 35, 33, 31, 36, 30, 37, 29 and 38. We have to find the range and the coefficient of range. They have given 10 data. Over those 10 data, we have to calculate the range of that problem. Similarly, coefficient of the range of the problem. Okay. We know that the range of the problem and the coefficient of the range, we have to find the value largest and the smallest value. By given data itself, we can identify the largest value and the smallest value. Here the largest value is 38. So my L, largest value L is equal to 38 and the smallest value 29. Okay, so smallest value S is equal to 29. To find, we have to find the value of range as well as their coefficient. Okay, coefficient of range. So we already know that the range can be calculated the difference of the largest and the smallest value. So R is equal to L minus S. That is, here the largest value is 38 and my smallest value is 29. So 38 minus 29. If I subtract it, I will get my range value as 9. Okay, next we have to calculate the value of coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is calculated by using the formula L minus S divided by L plus S. That is the largest value minus the smallest value. So largest value is 38 minus my smallest value is 29 divided by L plus S. That is the sum of largest and smallest value, 38 plus 29. If I subtracted it my numerator, I will get the value as 9 and by adding the values I will get my denominator as 67. We have to divide those values to get the decimal value. We know that the coefficient of range lies between 0 to 1. Okay, the coefficient of range lies between 0 to 1. So my answer should be in the form of a decimal format. If I divided it, I will get the answer coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is equal to 9 divided by 67 is 0.134. Okay, this is how we have to calculate the coefficient of range and the range of the given following data. Okay, the range is used for the class also in real life example. If in our class, if we want to find the range of our class, means we want to take the topmost mark of the student and the least mark of the student. If we subtract both, we will get the range of our class. Similarly, if we want to find the coefficient of range for our class, we have to take the topmost value and the least value. We have to subtract it both and sum it both. and divide it. If we get some value, then that value is said to be in coefficient of range. In real life also this can be used. Okay, thank you.